So to get to the transmission fluid, it's right here in front of the battery and just behind the reservoir for the radiator, and it has a TM listed on the top there. So you just go ahead and pull it out, clean it off. Some of them are different processes and procedures. This one actually has a cold and a hot level of, there we go. This one has a cold and a hot level of where your transmission fluid should be. So we can check this being cold and hot. So once we've cleaned off the dipstick, we'll go ahead and reinsert it and then pull it back out and see that, this is awesome, and see that it is lined up at the cold, because this happens to be cold. If it was hot, we'd want to make sure that it's up in here, because transmission fluid expands when it's hot. It's pumping through there, but you're also just going to want, and then so once you clean it off, put it back in, and you know, best is to make sure it's on a pretty good level surface so that you have a better accurate reading. The other thing is, if you need to add transmission fluid, you just need a really small funnel generally and put it right down the same dipstick handle. But if everything's good, you shouldn't really ever have to add a whole lot of transmission fluid or add any transmission fluid for the life of, until you either change it out, if you change the filter in the transmission or whatnot. But it is still here to be able to be checked and to added to. So that's how you would do this on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.